Hi there, it's Kate from Master Sales Funnels, and today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how you can use Berrycast to record your screen. I'll also be discussing the different features inside the app. Alright, let's get started. So what you're seeing on your screen right now is my Berrycast library that's full of my previous screen recordings. And as you can see, each recording has a default title that tells when it was recorded. This button right here is used to record your video. To start recording, simply click this button or the button on the left side of your screen. Then, you will be asked which part of your screen do you want to be recorded. Once you're ready, there will be a 3-second timer before it starts recording your screen. These are the tools that you can use while recording your screen. You can pause, draw on your screen, and even start over. To stop recording, simply click this button to save your video. How to add custom branding. Here you can customize how you want your Berrycast videos to appear. You can add your logo, an icon, set your brand colors, and even add a custom domain name. You can also white label your videos by enabling this feature. Lastly, let's talk about the settings in Berrycast. This is where you can enable or disable different features. You can also see the keyboard shortcuts for Berrycast here. And that's it, we're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this quick Berrycast tutorial informative. If you wish to save 20% on your paid subscription, use our exclusive code MSF20 during your trial period. Bye!